Aurora is excited about the unmanned aircraft business. Our passion is to create new airplanes, to design, to build, to manufacture, to operate. And airplanes that can detect environmental change, that can protect American forces, and that can help explore new worlds, such as the atmosphere of the planet Mars.
Aurora Flight Sciences is a leader in unmanned aerial systems, with a fleet of innovative aircraft designed to empower small tactical units, safeguard our borders, and examine the environment. Aurora provides the capabilities and process controls of a large company with the can-do attitude of a small company. Organized around 3 business sectors: science applications, aerostructure manufacturing, and tactical systems, Aurora's mission is to detect, protect, and explore with technology at every altitude.
Aircraft like the GoldenEye, their mission is to detect threats to the operators. They're designed to provide situational awareness, let small teams of people, whether they're a military squad or a news team, understand what's going on around them.
Using one of the most advanced ducted fan unmanned aircraft systems available, Team GoldenEye's ease of operation provides capabilities throughout the chain of command, allowing those close to the fight to see and designate the enemy. Aurora Flight Sciences provides further detection advances with the Orion Hall unmanned aerial system, solving critical joint warfighting problems and providing better surveillance and recon capabilities with greater operational efficiency. Its affordability makes it practical for large research centers, universities, and civilian agencies such as NOAA.
Airplanes like Orion, which have the ability to stay aloft for literally days at a time, 100 hours or more, that are powered by liquid hydrogen, with a fairly small payload, about 400 pounds, which would be able to essentially park themselves over a hurricane as it formed, track the formation and intensity of the storm, improving the warnings for evacuations or avoiding unnecessary evacuations.
Providing protection and tactical air support, Excalibur is a purpose-built armed tactical UAV. Excalibur fills a gap between current weaponized UAVs and manned strike platforms that provide tactical air support. The aircraft is not remotely piloted. Therefore, operators are able to focus on mission planning, laser designating, and engaging targets.
It's designed from the beginning to carry weapons like the Hellfire missile. Excalibur can take off and land vertically, and it can travel with the troops. It doesn't require a runway. Aircraft like the Excalibur are designed to protect the troops in the field.
Aurora's support of our troops has been in place since 1995, when Aurora became a key member of the Northrop Grumman Global Hawk team, contracted to build the V-tails of the RQ-4 Global Hawk unmanned aerial system. Since then, Aurora has steadily increased the scope of the Global Hawk effort, providing almost every composite component in the aircraft's fuselage. Aurora's aerostructure efforts are not limited to Global Hawk. Carbon fiber composites contracts with the U.S. Army and Air Force validate Aurora's advancements and expertise in the field.
One of the things that Aurora has been doing is expanding its capability for high-quality, low-cost manufacturing. One of the big steps in that recently has been the award from Sikorsky Aircraft of a major piece of the structure for a new version of the CH-53 helicopter. CH-53 helicopter has been around for many years, originally designed in the 50s, built entirely out of metal, has been used in every military operation imaginable over the last 40 years. But what the Marines have asked Sikorsky to do is build a modern version of it, built out of composites. And Aurora has been selected to help in that, both designing and manufacturing key pieces of the new version of the CH-53 out of this graphite epoxy material.
Aurora's large manufacturing capabilities in West Virginia and Mississippi set it apart from other companies of its size, simultaneously producing precision machined metal components, composite components, and tooling for multiple aircraft types. The commitment to quality and process repeatability has earned Aurora ISO, NADCAP, and dozens of supplier certifications. Aurora delivers, on time, all the time, regardless of the task. At Aurora Flight Sciences, the sky is the limit. Or is it?
Airplanes like Mars Flyer are designed to carve out a new chapter in the history of exploration as it becomes the first aircraft to fly in the atmosphere of another planet. It carries about 30 to 40 kilograms of scientific instruments that will open new chapters in mineralogy, the surface topology, the atmospheric chemistry of the surface of Mars as it flies on about a 2-hour mission.
As a member of the NASA Langley-led Ares team, Aurora has already demonstrated that an aircraft based on the Ares concept could fly in a Mars-equivalent environment. Detecting, protecting, exploring. From concept to flight, Aurora Flight Sciences is building the second century of flight with innovative unmanned aircraft, meeting the requirements of today, conquering the challenges of tomorrow. For more information, visit our website at aurora.aero.
One of the other things that the UAV revolution is going to open up is to make a lot more people become pilots, okay? Because it makes the operation of these airplanes much more accessible. It's going to lead to flying devices that are used by a whole host of different professions where the piloting has become so invisible that it allows people to do their jobs, it empowers people to do their jobs. That's really where this UAV revolution is leading us.